Hassocks Station was named Hassocks Gate upon its opening on the 21st of September 1841 by the London and Brighton Railway, which later became the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway in 1848. It was one of the few intermediate stations on the line with 4 tracks to allow express trains to overtake those stopping at the station. However, the number of tracks was later reduced to 2, although with the additional width still apparent from the siting of the station buildings. The original 1841 station building was designed by David MacArthur, the architect of the railway, in a simple cottage style, by using the same modular system that he applied to other stations on the line. For many years, Hassocks Gate Station was used by excursion trains for passengers visiting the nearby South Downs, and suffered as a result as it became a meeting place for prostitutes. Ooh, madam. It stands almost at the summit of the line's climb from London, before passing through Clayton Tunnel, a short distance to the south of the station. This was the site of the Clayton Tunnel rail crash in 1861, resulting in 23 deaths and 176 injuries. Between December 1880 and August 1881, a new station building was constructed by James Longley and Company of Crawley to the designs of Thomas Myers, as the prototype for those later built in the same style on the Bluebell and Cuckoo line. With a half-timbered upper story, decorative brick eaves, stained glass windows and charming porches. The booking office was covered in a lantern-shaped roof and the platforms by wooden canopies on iron columns. The station was demolished in 1973 by British Railway as replaced with a clasp structure which was described as truly awful. In 2006, the local community announced it was hoping to raise £2.5 million to rebuild the station to its previous design, although these plans fell through, and in 2008 Network Rail announced that it would be carrying out an 18-month feasibility study to identify possible improvements to the existing building in order to facilitate access by the disabled and elderly. Limited modifications were made to the station in 2011 with the addition of ticket gate lines on both platforms and with some refurbishment to the shelters. In January 2011, it was announced Network Rail that £1.25 million would be used to rebuild the station under the Department of Transport's National Station Improvement Programme, and a further £1.6 million from the Access to All scheme station to use to install step-free access. Work began on these buildings with the new station in November 2012, and the new ticket office opened for the first time on the 14th of June 2013. At this point, there was still work to be completed, including the installation of lifts to improve access to the subway. However, the opening of the new station officially took place on the 5th of July 2013, conducted by MD of Southern and Catherine Cassidy. Work completed on December 2013. And the station also features in Sabine Baring-Gould's mid-Victorian ghost story, the 9:30 Up Train. So it's time to get started with 700 130, with the slightly delayed 11:31 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. As we kindly take a seat, it's 377456, 377103 and 377450 up next, with the 11:42 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton via Preston Park. Next to fly through the station is 377208, 377127 and 377432. Working 1 Whiskey 46 from London Victoria to Brighton. Next through the station 387219, 387211 and 387224. Working 1 Mike 55 from Brighton to London Victoria. And right on that thing's heels is 700-106, working 9 Sierra 26 from Brighton to Cambridge via London St Pancras International. Next train out is 700-148, working the 1203 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Next into the station 377462 and 377412, working the 1204 Southern Railway service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. Quickly on its heels is 700-130, working the 1207 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford via London St Pancras International. Flying southbound in the opposite direction is 700-142. We're running 7 minutes late with 9 Sierra 21 from Cambridge to Brighton. And in the opposite direction is 377432, 377127 and 377328, working 1 Mike 59 from Brighton to London Victoria. Departing now is 377435 and 377147, working the slightly delayed 1212 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton via Preston Park. And right on that thing's heels is 387221 and 387212, working 1 Whiskey 50 from London Victoria to Brighton. And here comes our train in the form of 700-037, working the 1231 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.